Yeah, I just saw ground stuff go up. Yep, the camera's picking it up too. I'm gonna have to zoom it in some. There we go. Nice. That's awesome. Those are really cool. And the airplane's about to land here in a second too. Here it comes. Yeah, there it goes. There goes the airplane. The camera's not picking it up at all. Yeah, it kind of is. That's the airplane right there landing. Oh, here comes more. Those are green, but on the camera they're blue. That's fun. Yeah, the greens are blue. What the heck? Listen to that airplane. Jeez. Yeah, they're launching them from the airport.
They're not as high as I was expecting them to
Yeah.
be, though.
They're normally higher. That's what I was thinking, anyways.
Would you agree, Angie? What do you think? I mean, for us to be right across the street. Right.
I love how the camera doesn't hear it or see it, but there's so many people sitting here with their cars watching this right now.
What'd you say? He's talking to his camera. He's narrating his film.
Well, technically I'm talking to you guys too, but okay. And you guys can join in at any time. This camera's so shaky because I forgot my freaking tripod again though.
Oh, come on.
So I'm sorry, viewers.
Yeah, I mean, really, there's not been, I mean, just the first one there was great.
Yeah, the first few were really good.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. That one was nice. Whoa. Do you remember the end of the show last year, Mom? I don't think the camera even picked up that firework. No, it did, but you know. Or that one. Now it did. Oh my gosh. Those ones are way too dim for it to pick up, though. There we go. That's awesome. See, I'm gonna back the camera up just to see what we see. That's just way out in the distance, but that looks awesome in real life. Nice.
This is the grand finale.
Kind of looks like it, doesn't it? That should tell you the grand finale is gonna be good. Let's see if we're shooting off fireworks behind us. Wow, that's gonna be loud. I'm thinking. Yep. There's louder ones though. That's always fun. And welcome back, viewers. I just dropped my phone. I'm totally leaving that in too, just to show how much of an idiot I am. Yeah, viewers, that's an earthquake for you. No, I'm keeping that in the video just to show how stupid I am. Like, I hope that the video's not upside down. Yeah, that's awesome. Those are nice. I love how there's like that big one, and then there's like a bunch of smaller ones in the middle. Upside down heart.
That's a nice one.
Mhm. I love the delay in this though. Like you hear it launch when the fireworks going off,